Hi there. So it's been a little while and I wanted to share with you some of the things that I've been working on that I plan to bring to this channel and Sheetkeeper Academy in the very near future that I think are going to be valuable to you. And if you've got high school or college age kids, things that will be valuable to them too. So I started Sheetkeeper Academy with the intent of teaching financial literacy through a spreadsheet-based program where people can learn about concepts while they build their own financial model. And the thing that I have heard the most as I talk to people about this, specifically talk to others around town, whether it's at sports games, people, friends and family, is my kid needs that. And specifically, it's their high school or college age kid that could use this kind of an education. So I want to talk about what I'm building that you can use, and also if you have a student who's in high school or college, what you'll be able to share with them in the very near future. So for quick background, here on this channel, we're focused on building a spreadsheet-based financial literacy model that allows you to start from scratch in a Google Sheet and then build it yourself and learn the concepts along the way, being formulas in Google Sheets as well as the financial concepts. So learning about things like your paycheck periods, fixed expenses, discretionary spending, even paying off credit card debt or saving, and doing that in a way that you're building a model that's an at-a-glance view, that's longitudinal and forward-looking so that you can see the impact of your financial decisions today on your entire financial future. And I found that that's very useful, not just for adults who want to learn more about paying off debt or saving for the future, but for students in high school and college. And so what I've done now is broken this out into 3 programs that you'll be able to use very soon. Now, the first one is free, and I want to talk about that for a moment. The first program is available right now at sheetkeeperacademy.com, and that is an introductory course that will take you, I'm going to say 4 to 5 hours to complete, and will give you the basics of what we teach, but I'll say at an intermediate pace. So you need to know a little bit about spreadsheets before you jump in and start working with that one. But by the time you're done with that, you'll at least have the structure of a financial model laid out. And you'll still have a few things that you want to learn after that. Things like adding an interest rate or APR in your credit card, or an APY or annual percentage yield on your savings account. Things like adding a fixed asset like a car that can depreciate. But you're going to get enough that it gets you started and you can build from there. So that's free right now. Now, what's coming very soon is if this is information that your student might need. So you've got a high school student, you've got someone that's graduating, somebody that just started in college, and you find that they just don't get money. And I hear that so much. It's like they just don't get it. They don't get the value of a paycheck. They don't understand why their paycheck's so much lower than they expected. There's going to be a course that I release that supports that discussion. The intent here is for your high school or college student to be able to complete this course on their own, starting from scratch in Google Sheets, to build this spreadsheet and learn these skills, but along the way for you to get updates and to really start a conversation and keep a conversation going between you and your student on all these concepts. So as they build it, you can talk about what you've learned, and you can even modify their spreadsheet together. They can share it with you. You can talk about ways that you've used spreadsheets or apps in the past and your current system and how that relates to what they've built. It teaches the skills while it keeps the discussion going and keeps you posted along the way. That's coming soon. Look out for that, and it will be more of a very slow course that takes you step by step through every formula. Now, if you've taken the introductory course, this course is going to be even more thorough. So there's going to be an adult version separate from the student version that really embodies the same concepts and teaches the same principles and just does it at a slower pace. It's more thorough and helps you build even more features into that Google Sheet. Now, I've already been working with high schools and school districts to get this started so that they can teach this at an institutional level across a school through licensure or across a district. It's also beneficial to employers who want to share this for use by their employees, or also for their employees who are parents who want to share this with their kids. This is available as a benefit to them. Now, if you're interested in any of these methods for learning this content and continuing forward, just visit sheetkeeperacademy.com. You can choose your path there. You can indicate which program you're most interested in, and I'll keep you posted with updates along the way. And like I said, today you can go there right now and start the introductory course and just get started completely for free in building your own spreadsheet. You can also just subscribe here for more information as we go, and I'll keep you posted through these videos, and I'll keep introducing the concepts that we teach in these courses in these videos so that you can keep a more thorough discussion going with your student, or you and I can just talk about what you're going to do next to modify your model and make it even more effective for you. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.